Hi friends, today we are going to learn about what is serialization in C Sharp. Serialization in C Sharp is the process of converting an object into a format that can be easily stored like in a file or a database or transmitted like over the network. This is typically done by converting the objects into byte stream or text formats such as XML, JSON that can later be deserialized, converted back into the original object. Why do we need serialization? The first point is storing objects. You might want to save the state of an object to file or a database so it can be used later. Transmitting objects. You may want to send an object over a network, such as when communicating between a client and server. Types of serialization. The first point is binary serialization. Converts the object into binary format, a stream of bytes, and XML serialization converts the objects into XML format. JSON serialization converts the object into JSON format. How does it work? Serialization converts an object into format like a JSON, XML binary for storage or transmission. Deserialization converts the serialized data back to the original object. Now we will see that in example. Here we have a class called person with we have a two properties, one is name and another one is age. Okay, and we have a main method which now I have created a person object with a person, and I have assigned with the name equal to John and age equal to 30. So this is a object type data. Now this person dot data file mode created, and when we use file stream, so it converts into file, then in a binary format, that means byte format. So in the format that serialize with this fs, that means file stream, it serialize the object. And when we want to deserialize the object from a file, so here is the file, that is which we have a data here, and in the binary format, now person dot person format dot deserialize. Deserialize means deserialize back into the object. When we print that console or readline, so the object converts into object to serial converts into byte format, it's called as serialize. Byte format into object, it's called a deserialize. So friends, this is called deserialization. Thank you.